And then they have this Ferrari, guys. Ooh, man, we got to go in this little side room here in a minute. Check out this Ferrari. There's Riley O'Brien. He's getting some filming in. Hey, buddy. Good to see ya. Ferrari is nice, guys. Look at the drilled and slotted. Well, they're drilled rotors anyway. They're not slotted, it doesn't look like. I always wanted one of these cars so bad when I was a kid. This looks like a really, really nice example. It's a Ferrari 360 Modena. I'm not sure what year. Let's see, 1999. I thought so. Inside's clean. Classic Ferrari in here, guys. All day. It's the flappy paddle. It's not the gated. But you know what? I bet it's nice. Look, they got the little Ferrari logo hanging. Beautiful car, guys. Got the alloys. And the Scuderia Ferrari badge. Yeah. The yellow, I forget what they call it, but this is the race color for Ferrari. It's their race color, and the red is for their road. I don't know if you guys know that or not, but it's a little info. Let's check this out back here. Look, don't touch, please. Absolutely. And these iconic classic taillights and this grille back here. Just awesome, guys. Beautiful, beautiful car. Check this out. Just spotless back here, guys. Absolutely spotless. Look at this exhaust. Woo! And it says Ferrari. I bet it does sound amazing, guys. This is a beautiful car. Man, that looks so good.